Hey guys, welcome to the Overnight Coder. Today we're going to be checking out a new theme. I'm actually building a site with Javo themes, and I just kind of wanted to record everything. I mean, just kind of my first opinion, what they do. Um, as you guys know, I build a lot of directories, and I have chosen a custom solution, but not everybody can jump into a custom solution, right? It's a lot of time or money or management to try to get into something being built from the ground up. So we're going to jump back into a different theme than my normal listing pro to kind of cover what these other themes are doing, right? So here you'll get to see, I should have a video series on this, but Javo has offered me the opportunity to kind of check out their theme. The beta was ready for months or weeks or whatever. I didn't get access until late, and by the time I did get access, I just wasn't ready to like dive in and spend the time kind of investigating. But now I am. I have not downloaded this theme yet. So the first video, we're just going to talk about what they cover and, is it going to be a good fit? You'll see series of these videos which I'll try to group in a playlist that you can easily try to follow to kind of accommodate exactly what you're trying to do. So the first thing I'm looking at is theme sales. It's pretty good, right? The star rating is pretty good as well. A bunch of comments. But let's take a look. So it's a directory. It's also a community. What do I mean by that? People can message other people. Marketplace, I'm thinking that people can buy products. And then website builder, I'm thinking it has its capability to kind of build what you want. Kind of, in my eyes, it'd be great if they use Elementor. But again, I'm just jumping in to show you. We will jump into a live preview. I'll right-click that. Just so we can see, and I do want to jump over to the screenshots. Before I do, I noticed that it's only 39 bucks, which seems a little cheaper than most of the other themes, which, I mean, that could be good, that could be bad. It does say it's on sale right now, so let's just take a look. It's got a bunch of tutorials, but you're going to see my tutorials first. Tutorials, update news, customization service. So these are all just premium things that they offer. Obviously, they can customize it if you want. The submit form, it looks like for admins, it looks like you're going to be able to create your own stuff, easily organize, manage, and customize your fields. And then for users, it should be pretty easy, and they claim that it has a step-by-step grouping, meaning, hey, add this. Okay, click next. Add this. Click next, if that's your type of thing, right? If I look at the community interaction, I've already mentioned this, it's going to be almost like a buddy boss built in. So it has groups and forums and things like that that you could add to your site if that's what you wanted. I will tell you, not doing a contact form and sending it to somebody's email, instead keeping them on the site and using messaging to messaging could be a benefit, right? I don't want them leaving my site and checking an email. I want them to have to log in to check their messages and maybe send them an email that they got a notification. Here's the multi-vendor directory. Oh, multi-vendor. So that's even better. Multi-vendor is usually when other people can sell stuff. Now, I can't zoom in too much, but this kind of looks like the Dokkan backend. So I'm going to guess, based on these two pictures and the text down here, users can sell products on their site. So users will sell products. I'm hoping you can take a commission. And even if not, you can have them sign up and make them pay to be able to sell stuff. And it looks like they could get paid. So independent stores and marketplace, obviously you can read all of this later. Yeah, there you go. Earn a commission as admin, right? So we're just guessing at this point, but it does look like it's going to be possible. WC Builder. So that is definitely new, right? We're going to use the Javo Builder, which is simple drag and drop elements for WooCommerce, but a little torn there, right? I'd prefer to use my own builder, which would be Elementor Pro, but we'll find out if you can do that. Either way, they have their own builder, which that could be a plus or negative, right? No additional plugins, nothing to have to worry about integrations, and we'll find out. It looks like they have a bunch of pre-designed templates as well. The chat features came with the community, so we already kind of talked about that. And yeah, they're on sale. Okay, they're on sale for instead of $79, so that makes more sense. Unlimited listing types. So if I scroll down, we can create different listing types, and that's a good thing. That means this is a custom platform that you can create your own listing type. And in my eyes, listing type would be, okay, I got business listings, I got events, I got instructors, and I can create those individually is what obviously what I'm thinking. Some of the key features, and again, this is the first time I'm scrolling down this, different permalinks. Well, that's cool. If I can set my permalinks, that would be super cool. Email notifications, a lot of this is just, and forgive me if I skip over some of this greatness, a lot of this is just using a custom builder anyway. You would see a lot of this. This is a theme, but they are offering the custom ability in this theme. So form builder by listing type. Different templates, not worried about that. Dynamic pricing table. So if I didn't want to create my own pricing table, which again, I normally do, but it looks like they do have the option for something that goes in there. They have filters, just like your custom taxonomies, it looks like. Obviously a search area, so you can create that and then customize that. And advertiser management. I probably am going to skip over this because I'm starting an advertising company that you can pay for monthly and allow not only you to log in, but you allow your advertisers to log in, track stats. But again, this is super cool. How many of you guys want to start your own advertisement spots around the website, but didn't want to pay somebody like myself or didn't want to integrate it because you had to do all that work? It looks like you can create them, display them, create ad spots, and do it. But again, we're going to jump into it. Header menu builder. Well, I mean, most themes have that, so I'm not going to get super ecstatic. That just means they're not limiting us to a specific header. We can grab a header and then modify it, which is definitely a plus compared to some themes where you're just stuck with their header. Theme settings looks like a bunch of different options. You can also look at the author page. The author page looks pretty cool because now you have all these things on the left, and it looks like you can build those out custom as well. This is perfect. Single detail page builder. So I want to build what my page looks like when I click into a listing. They say no worries, so it should be good to go. Payment builder. We want to hopefully define the way payments are made. I don't want an 8-step checkout process, right? I want to pay me first, submit your listing, and do what you need to do. And it looks like it's 100% customizable. The cool thing is, obviously, the listing cards, customizable. Blog post blocks, customizable. Reviews and feedback, customizable. Blog page, obviously customizable. And yeah. SEO hopefully is a plus, but we'll check that. Near place, so like a radius. Looks like it works. I don't see the word customizable in here, so we'll figure out how much they've done with that. And then obviously a user dashboard. I'm hoping this is not the user dashboard because that does not look as good. Geolocation, we just talked about the location. Payments, what are the payments? A bunch of payment gateways I see here, but what if you're not in that list? Okay, WooCommerce is payment, and almost everything links in with WooCommerce. Is that going to be a problem? Because now we're going to be installing a WooCommerce bloated plugin if we don't have a shop, and we'll get into that. More videos, and it looks pretty promising. Right? I don't know that their demo is going to be as good as I've seen somebody's custom first site, and that looked good. I wish I kind of had that. Well, let's just add a campaign. They just got a bunch of information on things we already talked about. Let's jump into, this is one of their demos, which I think it's going to be more plain Jane, but we'll just check it out. Listings, categories, doesn't look bad, right? I think it's more about the flexibility that it has because we are going to be styling it up, I guess, with their page builder. And I'm sure there's plenty of layouts, but this is what we're looking at. Remember, you can create your own cards. So, if I created something different and I want to display it like this, but where's the map, right? And again, we're going to jump into all that. So, what's the vendor store look like? This could be a specific vendor store for like if I added a shop to the website. Well, let me see shop vendor dashboard. Does that look? Houston, we have a problem. All right, ignore that. Okay. Events. It's probably just more listings. I'd like to see a copy of the map. This is just what. This is one of the plugins, Event Manager Pro, or one of those popular event. One of the two popular events. So I'm not sure if they're adding that or if it's third party. Let's check out one or two more pages. Detail. Mandu shop. Here's another. I don't really want to shop though. Let me see if I can find another layout.
Tim, are you heating your barbecue up?
And then we have what we the screenshots. So we're gonna look at the screenshots here, and not a lot in here. They could have done a little bit better with this, but again, I'm ready to check this out. So we're gonna be looking at this as a full project, hopefully from start to finish, unless they're running into any issues. But thank you for taking the time. You know, this might be something that we're gonna try out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments if you've already tried it or you'd be interested in trying it, and let's give it a go. All right, thanks.